Jesus, Jesus.
She has started again. Mama, your own is too much. Don't you think it's high time you go and rest in peace so that you can allow I and my husband have some peace in this house? Or she always come with this your every day. Your mates are already resting in heaven. Don't come here and come and be stressing us unnecessarily.
You can wish.
We are tired of this stress, Mama. Mama, if you want to go, go. Stop disturbing us. What are you looking for? Your inhaler. So I'm the one that should be picking your inhaler and giving you all the time.
Jesus!
What is happening with this? Auntie, look at Mama. Mama wants to die. Auntie Ayela. Hey! Will you get out from here? Who called you here? Auntie, look at Mama now. Auntie, look at Mama. I said shut up. Now will you leave here before I give you a heavy knock? Get out from here! Auntie, look at Mama. Whoa, Auntie, this is not fair. Auntie, this is not fair. I'll tell brother. Who is this small rat? I know what to do. Mama, stop disturbing the neighborhood though. Mama, you said you have tried, Stop stressing us. You've tried, go. Just let us be. We are tired of all this. We are tired. Mama! Hey, Mama!
Mama! What is it? What? Hela. Check her back. Mama, where is she keep her Hela now?
I don't know. Mama, sorry. I've checked everywhere. It's not there. Mama, sorry, Mama.
Where is the Hela now? Check everywhere. Where is it?
Have you checked here? Yes, I have. It's not there. Mama. Can you come and see something? Oh?
Mama.
Hey! Mama, she ain't Mama, please don't do this to us. We love you so much. Mama, please don't.
Mama, please don't do this to me. Mama, please. Jesus.
Mama, you're one children. We want to
Mama, please now. Mama, please don't do this to me. Mama, please. Mama, please don't do this to me. Mama, you can't do this to me.
Mama, please come back, please, Mama. Mama, please, we love you. It's okay, Mama.
Where did I keep my phone?
Uncle, is this your wicked wife that killed Mama? When Mama was crying, looking for Ayela, she sat down there and watching movie and drinking. And when I came to help Mama, she chased me away and she said Mama should die. And now Mama is dead and she's here crying. She's a wicked woman.
Something wrong with you. How dare you accuse my wife? Have you gone nuts? Have you gone nuts?
Can you imagine?
If you hear one more word from me again, if you dare accuse my wife again before me, I will give you a beating of your life.
She's the one that killed Mama.
What? If you say that again, I will slap your face.
I don't want to believe. I have a proof.
What rubbish proof are you talking about?
Wash.
What you say?
Okay.
Wash.
What?
Honey, don't wash anything. He's a liar. Mama, you said you have tried, Stop stressing us. You've tried. Go. Just let us be. We are tired of all this. We are tired. Mama.
Who is this?
I don't know.
So you watch my mom struggle till she died? You did this to me!
It's not like that.
Are you from the pit of hell?
I'm sorry.
How can you watch my own body? God! It's a mistake. So you can believe heartless. Go in there, pick everything you have and get out of my house this minute before I lose it. I said go in there, pick whatever you have and get out of this house this minute.
Please, I'm sorry.
Go in there this minute right now. Okay, I see you don't want to go. Just sit here and wait for me. I'll be back for you. Where is she? Where did she go?
She has gone out. Wicked woman.
She would have waited for me. God, I should have known I was living with the devil. I would have known I was living with the devil herself. Jesus. Mama now, Mama, please. Mama, please don't do this to us. Mama, please just wake up. Even if it's just once, Mama, just wake up, please. Tell me it's not what I'm thinking. Mama, please. Mama, now, please. Ah!